C3AI shares are currently trading at $29.14 and are down over 75% from its IPO in December 2020. The analyst one-year price targets are as high as $40, as low as $20, with the average one-year price target being $30.55. I have the share price here with their shares outstanding, and I've used their trailing 12-month revenue to calculate a revenue per share of $243. Analysts project the forward one-year revenue to be $253, so I've carried that over here. And if we multiply that by our current price-to-sales ratio of 12, we get a stock price of $30.32, which is a 4% change from today. The industry average is quite a bit lower at 4.4 for the software industry, and that is going to give us a share price of $11.12, which is a 62% decrease. And one thing to note is that AI stocks right now are trading at about 3 times the price-to-sales ratio of the software industry, and that's why this one is quite a bit lower. And that also explains why the competitor average is much higher. NVDA, BBAI, and PLTR trading at an average price-to-sales ratio between them of 21.7. That sort of price-to-sales ratio would give us a stock price of $54.76, which is an 88% increase. The S&P 500 price-to-sales ratio is very low at 2.8 when relative to these stocks. That would give us a stock price of $6.95. And the Savvy Analyst best guess, I kept it the same at 12.0, which is going to give us that 4% increase. Some things to note: revenue has been mostly flat and their net income has been steadily declining. I don't see any big red flags in their balance sheet, and the cash flow situation isn't great, but it slowly is starting to improve.